Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create multiple prototypes in Figma. This feature is incredibly useful when you want to showcase different user journeys or scenarios within the same design file, making it perfect for client presentations or testing various user flows. First, open your Figma application and navigate to the project or file where you want to create multiple prototypes. Make sure you have the design file ready with all the frames you'll be working with. For this example, let's say we have 4 frames set up and we're going to create 2 distinct prototypes from these frames. Now look over to the right side panel of your Figma interface. You'll see several tabs there and you need to click on the one labeled Prototype. This tab is where all the magic happens for creating interactive flows and connections between your frames. Let's start building the first prototype. Click on Frame 1 and you'll notice a small circle appears on the edge of the frame. Click and drag from this circle to connect it to another frame. This creates an interaction link between the 2 frames, establishing the flow of your first prototype. After you've made that connection, look at the right side panel again. You should see an option called Flow Starting Point. Right next to it, there's a plus icon. Click on this plus icon to create your first named flow. Give it a descriptive name, something like subscriber. This name will help you identify this specific user journey later on. Now let's create the second prototype. Select a different frame, one that you haven't used in the first prototype. Just like before, connect it to another frame by clicking and dragging from the circle on its edge. This establishes the foundation for your second user flow. Once that connection is made, head back to the Flow Starting Point section on the right panel. Click the plus icon again to add another flow. This time name it something different, like Not Subscriber. This creates a second distinct prototype path that you can manage independently. With both prototypes set up, it's time to preview them. Look for the play icon in the top right corner of your Figma interface and click on it. This opens the prototype preview mode where you can interact with your designs. In the preview window, take a look at the left side panel. Under the Flows section, you'll see both prototypes you've created listed by their names. You can click on either flow name to switch between the subscriber and not subscriber prototypes, allowing you to test and present different user journeys seamlessly. And that's it. You've successfully created multiple prototypes in Figma. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.